In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment form in WordPress with Ninja Forms. By the end, you'll be able to accept payments for products, services, or donations directly on your site with a setup that's straightforward and reliable. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, head to Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type Ninja Forms. When you see it, click Install Now, and then Activate. This adds the form builder you'll use for the rest of the setup. Next, you'll need a payment gateway add-on so your form can actually process payments. Go to Ninja Forms, then Add-ons. Choose the gateway that suits your business like Stripe, PayPal Express, or Square. Purchase and download the add-on from the Ninja Forms site, then return to WordPress and go to Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin. Upload the .zip file you downloaded and activate it. A quick tip: make sure your site is using HTTPS with a valid SSL certificate before taking real payments. Now create your payment form. Go to Ninja Forms and click Add New. You can start with a blank form or a simple template. Add the basics: a name field, an email field, a product or service selector using a drop-down or checkbox list, and an amount field which can be hidden or calculated. Finally, add the payment field that came with your gateway add-on. Keep labels clear and mark essential fields as required. Open the payment field to configure how it charges. Choose whether the payment uses a fixed amount or pulls from a calculated field, perfect for pricing that changes with quantity or options. Set the currency, a brief description that appears on the receipt, and define what should happen after a successful payment. With the form ready, configure your gateway. Go to Ninja Forms, Settings, Payment Gateways. Enter your API keys from your payment provider and enable Sandbox or Test Mode if available. Save your settings. Never share these keys publicly, and double check that you're using test keys for testing and live keys when you're ready to go live. Back in the form, open the Emails and Actions tab. Set up a confirmation email to the user and a notification to your admin. Add a success message that appears after payment or set a redirect to a thank you page. Publish the form, copy the shortcode, and paste it into any page, post, or widget area. View the page to confirm it loads properly. Finally, run a test transaction in sandbox mode. Submit the form, confirm the payment processes, check that the confirmation email arrives, and verify the transaction in your payment account. When everything looks good, switch from test to live mode, and you're ready to accept real payments. Thanks for watching.